Okay, so we're gonna test the effects of different temperatures on the enzyme ability by measuring the rate of the reaction. This first three, if you look at your data sheet, you've got three different, or four different temperatures. These came out of the incubator. As it says in the lab, they should be done first. So what we're gonna do is take a milliliter of peroxide, which is our substrate, and squirt it into these things that have been at incubator temperature, and measure the time it takes to reach this line on the test tube. I've got a stopwatch. So we're going to do 3 trials at this temperature. Here we go with trial number 1. That was quick. That was 0.7 seconds. 0.70 seconds. Now we're going to try the second one. We're running 3 trials. Not really a significant number, but good for a demonstration lab experiment. So we're going into the second. I have to zero this out. Here we go. Okay, that was almost identical. 0.72 seconds. And here we go for trial 3. That was 0.59 seconds, so a little bit faster. Okay, I'm gonna grab another rack so I just have someplace to put them. The next thing is the boiling water. Just double checking to make sure I'm going in the right order. Incubator, then the boiled sample, then the ice bath. So the incubator ones are going in the discard. These are coming out with the test tube tongs. 1, 2, 3. Back over here. So, the boiling water. Milliliter into the juice. A few bubbles, but there's no way it's getting to the line. So, almost no activity. Same thing with that. Third time, same reaction. So I'm writing almost no reaction for all 3. So no time on it because it never even came close to going to the line. Okay. Ice bath next. Then in there with the ice cubes, which puts it somewhere around 0 degrees Celsius. Zero my timer. Get myself a milliliter. Okay, test run number 1. 2.29 seconds. Trial number 2. 1.46 seconds. number 3. .34 seconds. You can do the averages. I'm not going to do the averages. Gotta clean them up later. Our room temperature. We've got a beaker that's been sitting with a thermometer in it. The room temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. You record that on your sheet. Okay, room temperature trial 1. That's 1.08.
You should put the 21 degrees also.
Yes, ma'am. Always listen to your lab partner for recording data. Okay, trial number 2. 1.13. And trial number 3. Oops. .15. So you made predictions about temperatures, do the averages. If you see something that you don't like one of them seems to be a way off, you may decide not to count it in your averages. It's one of the sort of the thing that people make up their minds of when they do lab tests. Sometimes they go, oh, I squirted that too hard, or I didn't measure it right, or I don't think I stopped the clock right. But up to you. You saw the trials happen. You get to decide what to use and what not to use. And you've got a couple of questions there. Okay, that's it for the temperature test.